Hey guys, welcome back. Kyle here, home of the Buffingtons. The wife is out of town with the youngest son. They are looking at colleges. So I'm going to take some opportunity to replace some ceiling fans and add a new ceiling fan. So we're going to put the ceiling fan from our bedroom in our son's room right there, since he doesn't have a ceiling fan. And then Kerri picked out a ceiling fan and we'll install that one in the master bedroom. So we'll take care of that tonight, and I'll take you along on the adventure. Let's get to it. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do is get the power turned off to this room, take the light down, and then next we'll get the power turned off in the master bedroom and take that fan down and bring it in here and put it up. Alright? Alright, so I'm in the youngest son's bedroom. We've cut the power. I'm just going to take this light out. Take this cap off, 2 screws, pull all this down, unhook this light. Alright. Alright. Easy peasy on that. Now I have an extra light. And now we'll go take the ceiling fan down from master bedroom. Alright, so now we're in the master, so I'm going to take this fan out. This is the fan that'll go in Clayton's room. Right-handed. I think a lot of you know I'm left-handed, maybe not. If not, now you do. Alright, I'm going to go turn the breaker off. Alright, so the power's off. Alright, good to go. White to white, red to blue, black to black. And all the greens. I think I got it all. I don't really totally like this angle that I'm at, so I think I'll be okay. Yep. Now I think this is going to be exactly the same as the other one, so I'll have to check, see if I can leave this one here or if I need to take it with me. So let me find that out. Alright, just to keep product with product, I'm going to go ahead and take this down. It looks the same, but I don't want to take any chances. Alright, so now we will go install this in the ceiling over there and then the fan as well. Alright, now I'm going to put the bracket in. Alright, now I'm going to pick the fan up, put it in here, and then we'll wire it up. I think there's a notch. Where's the notch? I wish I had some light. Oh yeah, cell phone. I swore there's a notch. On this side. Oh, there. There we go. Alright, I'm going to start connecting these cables. Alright, so we're going white to white, black to black, which was not previously used in here, but now is. Alright, blue to red, and the greens to the ground. Push these cables back up in as I'm doing it. Put the cover back on. Alright, gonna go turn power back on. Alright, so we have light and we have ceiling fan. Alright, now I'm going to tighten this back down. All right. Well, that's way brighter in here too. Hope he's okay with that. He now has a ceiling fan. Should feel a lot better in here for him now. It's a big ceiling fan for this little room. Awesome, I'm running out of daylight. Yeah, I'm taking a little longer to put the new one together. Alright, this is on. Now I'll go get the motor and hang it up. Alright, it's in the notch. It's definitely getting dark outside. So I'm gonna try this. Got my little pin light. Alright, so we got black going to black, blue going to blue, and white going to white. This is on the fan motor side. And I just got text. Seems like I get text when I do indoor projects. Alright, now I just need to put the blades on and the light on. Alright, I'm taking the screws out for the fan blades. Alright, so now I'm going to go put the fan brackets on the fan blades, and then I'll come in here and put the fan blades on. Alright, we're now going to start putting the blades on. Probably should put that on the opposite side. Herp derp. Counterbalance. Looks like the blackbirds are enjoying some treats in the backyard. Also looks like I need to mow again. So neighbor Matt Guyver came over and helped me with this part. I couldn't do this by myself. I couldn't hold it and wire it at the same time. So he came over last night to help me finish this project. So now my wife's ceiling fan that she chose is installed. I even like it. I think it looks nice. We turn it on. It's got a nice crisp bright white LEDs in it. Of course, it's got a remote, so working as it should. So another project done for the missus. Alright guys, so ceiling fan is up, light is connected, everything is working as should be. So I moved both of the ceiling fans, one into our son's room, and then put the new one up that Kerri picked out. I'm sure she'll be happy with it. She'll be back this weekend from her trip, taking Clayton to look at colleges up north. So if you like these videos, give me a big thumbs up, click that subscribe button, tick the bell icon so you'll be notified when I release new videos, comment down below, and share these with your family and friends. Much appreciated, and we will see you guys on the next one. Take care.